Currently, I am working on this set application. Have to do implement a input there with emoji. I searched on npm, but there is no package for this. That's why I have built my own package. And how I built this package and publish. This is our package, and we will able to add emojis with text, and we'll integrate seamless emoji and text together. Okay, how cool is that? Great. So we'll build this, and not only that, it is fully responsive and fully customizable with Tailwind support, and everything here is just customizable, mobile responsive. So we'll build this, and this is our package. I have already published, and we'll learn how we can create just React.js npm package or just any JavaScript application npm package, and without any hassle. 15 KB. So how smaller and lightweight is that? If I go to on the packages section, here I have just only 3 packages, and Ismail input and this package is just similar. I have built this for making another video. So I'll build this now from scratch, and this is a documentation of this emoji. And if I go to Ismail input, okay, let's search for Ismail input and or go to this, and you'll find the official documentation live demo here. And if you click here, then you will navigate it. Okay, it will be here it is. You will be navigated to this page, and this is the documentation, how you can use it, and extended documentation is just in here. Okay, install it, and you will be able to use it on any React or Next.js application. It is very lightweight. So let's jump to our code base. First of all, we'll create a new folder and search for an npm package that you need to build, and make sure that you are going to build it is not already exist on npm, and then you will be able to publish it. We'll build so Ismail input v2. I will delete it because Ismail input is already exists. That's why I don't need this for testing purpose. I will just create from scratch to you. That's why I'm building from beginning. Okay, so if I search for this, and maybe this is not, this does not exist. Okay, so you can change it later, so it does not matter. So first of all, ctt, go to desktop, and first you need to create a folder and open it on your any code editor. And folder creation is not required. You can build packages without creation folder, but I'm creating folder called integer this, and I'm going on this folder cd Ismail input. Okay, I have copied it, and just create a folder and open on code, just VS code dot. Before that, I will use ban for managing packages, but and TypeScript code base you can use yarn npm or pnpm also. So I think you will be able to build this basic configuration of. So you can use npm init -y, but I will use ban init -y. It will just initialize new ban project with just all configurations, like it has generated node modules, just ban log, and this is our main entry file, and this is a TypeScript configuration. So ban automatically generated types for us. So if we use Node.js, then we need to Node.js does not support TypeScript. That's why we need manually configure. So that's why I'm using ban, and make sure that you have installed Node version and ban -p. Okay, everything is just installed. So first of all, if we go to package manager, so this is our package name. This package name is just automatically, this is the name of our package, just automatically generated by your folder name, but you can change it to any time. But if this package already exists, then if you need to publish, then you will get an error that this package is already exists. Okay, so this is okay, and at this time just run this package, sorry, run this file index.ps. Hello, we are run. So first of all, we'll create a new, so I'm just changing to TSX because I'm gonna just create a new file, sorry, new button with React. So I need to add React DOM and TSUP for bundling TypeScript package in very lightweight, okay, and very faster seamless integration. Is it generated? Okay, so React DOM is just generated, and now we use Control X, FCE button. Okay, we have installed React, but we need to install type also of React. So burn add types / React and /types / React DOM -d. So -d, that means we are installing them on the dev dependency, because we need types only in development purpose, not production. Okay, so this is our button, and const will add a handle click, handle click, just window dot alert, button clicked, and here we'll add button on click, handle click, and click me. Change the content to click me. Okay, so whenever a user clicks the button, then they will get a message, just click me. Just export const button, and at this moment, okay, so this is our just normal button we have created to make a reusable button to publish npm, and just I have created this, and we need to change an script to build TSUP. Okay, this package already we have installed this TSUP package, but this package only required for only dev dependencies, but we have installed it. Okay, that's enough for now. This does not matter. So first of all, we need to create a new file called tsup.config, not ts. And okay, first of all, we just copy everything from here, and I will discuss everything. So just set your entry point. So in this case, our entry point is just index.tsx. So not only that, you can import multiple component here, and you can import from anywhere from this file, and you can just import. But also you can not only that, but in this case, our entry point I have just added just on a single file that calls index.ts. So this index.tsx and this index.tsx, we have just one button, but you can add multiple button, and in this case just TSUP build only this package, not our every file will not build. So if we just hit run build missing dependencies, run build, oh sorry, run build. Oh, great. So let's look at this. It is just generated the types for us. Okay, so I forget to explain. So this is the default configuration of Vite, sorry, TSUP. So just need to set entry point, and we are just generating DTS, means we are just generating of types of our what we are just gonna build. Okay, and our external package you can define here our format, what format you need to use for packaging. And not only React, you can so not only React, you can create this Node.js package or anything else and just publish it. Okay, so I will show you. So first we need to set some commands. You can set keywords, repository link, author name. This is not required. We only required only this. Okay, and we'll do this, copy it, and we'll paste at the bottom. So here, okay, let's remove it. So here we need to set our main file. This is index.ts from dist. So this after build. So this is the index.ts. You can change it to any name and make sure that your name is the same, and our configuration every time will be the same. So this modules, this njs, this is the types directory, d/d.ts, and your export the some directories we need to set up. So this is just a normal configuration. Your package name will be this, and also need to set version will be 1.00, the first, and you can give it any version, but make sure that whenever you build and publish, your version need to change manually, or you can use package script configuration to automatically do this. I'll show you. So this is just okay. So our main file setup, our files. So in this case, just only dist that we publish on npm. So for now, run build, and now we'll publish the package on npm. Sorry, npm, and that's why if we hit here npm -version, it is, but we don't need, just ban login TSUP. Okay, make sure that you have install Node.js. So we'll use npm login. After that, after hit this command, you will navigate it to browser, and after that, make sure that you have already an existing account, or you can create account. I have already an account, so this is my account, and this is the package. So after create account, you have a username and password, and with username and password npm login. So please enter browser. So after pressing it, open, control click, copy the link, and just this npm is the sent email on my email. You need to verify that, because I have already created a account on npm.js, but you need to create manually it, and after that you will be able to publish. So you will have, so what password you will use and what is the email you use, just need to remember to use it here. So I have already do this, so I don't need, just ban publish. Wow, great. Package is published. Oh, we have just 3 packages in the previous version of my account. So now I have 4 packages. But where are my packages? Where is my package? Oh, how cool that you just added. So just look at this. It is just 1.0 97 kilobyte, and this is the default one configuration from this readme.md. And now in any React or okay, so any React or Next.js application or any JavaScript application, not so we're creating React, so any React based application we are able to do this. Okay, so not only React, you can create any function, anything else in JavaScript with TypeScript. Also you can use without TypeScript, but maybe you need another configuration, but I prefer to use TypeScript for from initial state, because TypeScript gives you a better development experience. Okay, so we have built this and we will use this on our this. So this is another file, another project. So ban add smiley input hyphen v2. This is our package. Okay, it is just installed, and for now we will add this at the top of our input. The button from, so if we are not getting suggestion from here, so what do we need to do? We need to import it manually. Right, import button from React, smiley input v2. Wow, and hover on it. Oh, great, we have button, and it is TypeScript, and just not here, this is here. Everything is okay. So project is running. This on this, click me. Wow, everything is working. And not only Next.js we are using this button on Next.js, but not only Next.js, you can use it on any React application. That's because we have created this package to using React, but not only React. Okay, so not only you no need to configure. You no need to define the separate project for creating packages. Suppose you have a already existing just you are working on the existing project, and you find a reusable function that will be able to help people, and people will get benefit from your package. Then you can easily use TSUP in your any JavaScript file, function in Next.js, React. This does not matter. Any JavaScript framework, library, Node.js or Next.js, you can use TSUP configuration, and configuration is just same. This configuration is the same, and make sure that you have changed build command to TSUP whenever you need to build your package. So you must use build command TSUP. Without if we look at here and package.json or build command, go to the top. A build command in this case, or build is just next build. So next is build. So whenever you need to build, suppose you before publishing to npm, you need to change it to TSUP, and after that you can set it manually to using with Next.js or React. And just create a configuration file and create a component in any folder, any files, and just import or set your entry points. In this case, our entry point is the only index.tsx that in our root directory, but you can add multiple directory, and this only read by this will be only read by TSUP, and this package only, sorry, this file only build as JS or MJS. Okay, so not only MJS, you can keep it like ESM or JS, and make sure that your file extension and everything is just matched, whatever you use. So yeah, it's similar. So this is how you can create it. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so this is the package just I have created, and this is the name of package. Oh, sorry, I'm not working on this. Okay, so I have I was creating a video about that, but I will not publish this video because this is the previous version of this that I have created. But okay, just close it. That does not we have added just new version, that's why. Okay, first of all you need to set your package name, and just you can set description for understanding your package, and it will be automatically set on this. Okay, description maybe will be added at here, and if you add keywords, like if you add keywords and you can add license, authorities does not require, and nothing is required in here, but you can add keywords for people who will be find how people will be find your package. And just need to set this and entry point and your export directories or required directories and types. We have created a button, but after make any changes, suppose you can accept a one click from props, and we'll use it at here. And also suppose we'll use class name. Okay, without using it, we can use it here. Interface props, one click, void, also class name, and extends React HTML attributes button component, and we'll set it at here. One click, get at here, and we'll set every props will spreading here. And if we have class name, then you can use style also, and you can use style with Tailwind. You can style CSS, but where you will use this package, people will be the sent class name or Tailwind, that will be automatically set up here, and people will be use Tailwind or just normal CSS class. So make sure that you have used this. And is the problem right here? Oh, sorry. Class name and props. Oh, okay. Now our button is just reusable. So at this case, we need just single button. We are exporting from here, but not required to create a file in here. You can create it in separate file or folder. Like we'll create a folder called source slash components. Okay, components slash button dot CSS, and we'll write our button code at here, and we'll just import, sorry, not import, export button from components slash button find audio source dot slash source. Oh, everything is okay. Suppose you have created a new file or function, and you need to export it to available people, because on your entry point you have just set one single file. But you can suppose your entry point is a source slash index.tsx slash just normal main.tsx. So make sure that you have added, you will be able to edit multiple files, and on your entry point you have just export what you have built and you need to publish on people. Just set it here on this file, export your component that you need to make to publish for people, and just so that's it. And we'll change. So if we run build this to this case, maybe we have make a changes. Okay, so not source slash index, it is just index. Building. Okay, our package is just built. X. Okay, we need to add some configuration. We'll add some configuration from here. We'll add this script, and okay, we'll just can copy from everything from here, but we'll not copy from here. I'll just copy it. So whenever we will prepare for bundling, like in this case, without hit burn and build again and again, you can hit just burn publish, and in this case your existing dist folder will be deleted from here, and it will be just run new build command, and this build command with TSUP will be generated a new dist file. And after publish, your previous npm version will be updated like 1.0.0, and after give npm publish, it will be automatically updated to 1.0. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be just automatically increased. But if you don't use this, then it will be just not automatically increase. And when you give ban publish with just same version that already exists on npm, then you will get an error that I'll show you. Just ban publish. Okay, it is just built. This command is just running, and in this case forbidden, you cannot publish over the previous published version. This is 1.0.0. This public version is just already exists. That's why if we change it manually, then we'll be able to ban publish. Oh, this is just published. The package is published, but we need to set version manually before publish. So we can add p-publish only this. I skipped, and npm version automatically pass from git version. So that means 1.0.0. In this case, 2. And whenever ban publish, it will just automatically increase, and we don't need to set manually. Okay, build. We are building, publishing, changing versions, and just publishing this button component. And you can publish multiple component, but you must export from here, then it will be available to people. So not only that, suppose you are working on an Node.js application or Next.js application, or suppose you find a reusable function that will help people, then you can easily use TSUP in any JavaScript file, sorry, any JavaScript project, and your TSUP configuration will be the same, similar as that. And MJS, that means this MJS will support for Next.js and React. Okay, so just create a new file here and change your build command. After build, your existing your necessary file that you need to publish on npm, and you need to set entry points. You need to export your reusable function that you need to just use on npm, and after that you will be just run build manually and or npm build, npm publish. That's it. You can add readme.md. you can update it based on your package. And if you use ChatGPT, just give your instructions. Suppose you need to generate a npm, generate a readme.md file for my npm package smiley input and smiley input, and it is emoji support it input with Tailwind, and it will just generate a good readme. But if not generate this readme structured about your input, you can easily customize it. You can easily customize everything, just copy and paste. But if it is not generate this readme syntax, then you can just copy everything from here and just search for text to readme converter on your browser. Search for it, and this you have a lot of so I have used here, just here paste any text here that will be automatically converted to readme file. Just AI generated text, and you can change it manually, you can update it manually, and your updated version you will need to publish on npm. Okay, so this, after that, this readme.md, after build publish, it will be automatically added at here, and your copied version you need to add on your readme.md. so this is the documentation. This is the file for documentation. Okay. So at the end of the video, in any React Vite Next.js application you are working, need to build a npm package to make available for anywhere in the world. You need to use reuse, and you need to make it publicly available. Just create a new tsup.config.ts, install tsup as a tab dependency, and just set your entry point. Set your entry point on any JavaScript project that you are working, and make sure that you have just export your necessary files on your entry point file. You can add multiple entry point here with nested entry point like source/index, source/component/index.tsx. Okay, and you can use configuration here, and if you search on browsers just TSUP configuration, you will find a lot of configuration. You can read documentation. Okay, in this case it is just enough. and this package as well as work with React like this. Okay, so that's it, and I think you will find this video helpful, and now you'll be able to create any package and you will be able to publish. And on this version, so you can set just version, description, author name, license, repository URL, keywords for how if people will find this package, and this is the required that you need to set, and make sure that this extension and this file name is just exist, and just set on it, like your main on this you need to set JS extension that generate here, or module you need to set MJS or ESM, or types here, and that's it. Just build and publish and make it fun. At last I'm mentioning you can install it on your project, React Next project, and you can use it. This is awesome emoji, and you will find live demo here, and you will be just navigated to this page, and you can test it out how it's actually working, like something like that. Hi, great. Okay, and you'll find step-by-step documentation at here, and you'll find my repository at github.com/awebcode. This is the URL on GitHub, and go to the repositories tab here, and this is my Ismaili input with created with Vite and TSUP, and this is the React input emoji V3 that is just as what I have just built today, and you'll find just configuration and everything at here. And also you can check it out here how I have built Ismaili input with Vite and TSUP configuration. Okay, how I have set my base entry point, how I have export, and how it's actually working, how I have set the readme versions, and publish. So make it fun. It is just easy and normal. So thank you so much.